Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert a Google Doc into Microsoft Word document. So let's start the video. Open the document you want to convert. Then go to the top menu and click on File. Then go to Download. Here you will see a list of downloading options. From the list, click on Microsoft Word. This will download your file to computer in Word document. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to SkillWeb for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.